Titanium Vault. I'm your host, RJ Bates III. And today's episode is called Wholesaling is Simple, Quit Being Stupid. See, unfortunately for y'all, I got talked into doing education by Jesse Burrell at Batch. And so now I get people to pay me to teach them how simple wholesaling is. And then I get to hear all of the dumbass questions and problems that are created, even though I break it down and make it as simple as you can possibly make it. I still get these questions and these objections that people have to overcome. And so today I was sitting there and I was thinking, I'm like, I haven't done a video this, I haven't done a podcast this week. And I need to do one for the people. I need to do one for the channel, for the podcast. What am I going to talk about? And it's just so easy for me to talk about what I'm dealing with, right? I think that's what you got. I think for as few of followers as I have, I think that's why y'all are here, because you respect the fact that I just talk about what I'm going through, what I'm experiencing. So before we get too much further into this episode, let's first look at what is the definition of stupid, okay? Because I don't want you to be stupid. The definition of stupid is having or showing a great lack of intelligence or common sense. Okay, let's repeat that. Having a great lack of intelligence or common sense, or showing a great lack of intelligence or common sense. Okay. So now that we're on the same page as to what stupid means, the reason why I wanted to bring this up is because I'm consistently hearing the exact same objections from some people that are struggling, specifically people that have attended the Crucible, okay? And going back to what the Crucible is, it breaks it down into a very simple process, okay? I don't really leave anything up for your interpretation. So much so, I break it down to what you name your campaigns. Then 45 days after the person's attended the Crucible, they say they're having problems, and I go into their Batch Leads account, and they're not naming their campaigns what I told them. Are you lacking the intelligence? Or are you just not using what's been told to you? Using the knowledge that's been given to you. You've actually, well, not even given to you. You've received by payment. I see people get it lost in the things that they really shouldn't worry about. Creating offer calculators. Okay? You need to live this and breathe this. You need to understand that you should be able to make an offer to a seller with nothing more than a simple calculator. And honestly, you can get good enough where you can just do it in your head. I remember when I spent $65,000 for my education on how to do this, which, by the way, that education was so awful, I didn't even learn what the direct-to-seller marketing was. But I remember one of the mentors saying, there will come a time where you will be able to walk into a property and make an offer within 3 minutes of being inside the property, and you'll do all the math inside your head. He was right. I have people that are selling multiple deals a month, but instead of focusing on what they should be focused on to grow their business, to scale that business, they're wasting their own time, their energy, and their intelligence on creating an offer calculator for their business. Even though I just told them the most simple way that you can make an offer on a property. I sit there and I do live videos for you guys to consume, showing exactly how I pull lists inside of Batch Leads, exactly the initial text templates I use, the exact same quick replies that within 3 quick replies, I make an offer. It's simple, guys. But then people want to reach out to me and be like, man, RJ, I just wish I could do what you can do. What are you talking about? I'm not some freaking genius. I'm just choosing to not be stupid like you. That's it. I'm sitting here and I'm taking action. I'm not getting so wrapped up in my head where I act like I can't figure out how to do the simplest of things. There's no training for this. You don't have to go to school. There's like 2 states out there that require that you have to get a license, be a licensed realtor to do this. Our job is to buy deep and to sell to cash buyers. We're literally selling a property at wholesale prices. It's that simple. Is there enough equity there for a flipper to make money? Is there enough equity and cash flow there for a landlord to own it as a rental property? The people that have come through the crucible and have achieved massive success, because we've had many of them. I just had a debrief with one of our students. He left my office 7 days ago. He has 10 contracts, 10 properties under contract since he left. You know why? Because he didn't ask any dumbass questions. He just went out and did exactly what I told him to do. He's killing it. I have other people that are sitting there and asking repeat questions over and over and over again because they're so worried about they might screw something up. Guess what? You're going to. You're going to screw up a lot. That's okay. Just go do it. Because at least then I'll be like, hey, good job screwing up. Because at least you were trying. I'll help you then. The other people, it's like, okay, so you sat around for 7 days and you didn't do anything. This other dude went and got 10 contracts. Let's just say he sucks so bad he can only close half of those. So he closes 5. And he sucks so bad at analyzing deals, he could barely make the minimum wholesale fee of $5,000. He made $25,000 this week. He's on pace for a 6-figure month. While the other dude's sitting around making a wholesale calculator and making sure he put the hyphen in the right place when he was naming his campaign. So maybe this isn't resonating with you. And that's okay. I'm not making this video for you. Maybe I'm only making it for 3 people specifically. If you're one of those 3 people, yeah, I made this video for you. Okay, I hope you watch it. Maybe I'll make the thumbnail catchy enough where you'll watch this one. But my point in this is it's tough love. I want people to succeed. I really don't know what else I could possibly give. Because, again, wholesaling's simple. I've shown you the systems I use, how easy it is to get to the point of making offers, how we pull lists, how we skip trace, what we say exactly, how we answer the phone. No bullshit games or anything like that. It's just pretty blunt and to the point. What, 3 videos ago, I showed you how you go find the list to dispo the properties. I mean, at some point in time, I should probably just shut the YouTube channel down, start it all over again, because I've shown you how to do it all. But I still have people that reach out to me and ask questions over and over and over again on, I wish I could learn how to do what you do, RJ. No, you don't. Quit lying to yourself. You're full of shit. Because if you wanted to do what I would do, you would literally go watch the videos and you would replicate everything that I do step by step. So from now on, if you have the desire to reach out to me and say, RJ, I wish I could do what you do, my response is going to be, you're full of shit. So quit being stupid. Don't be full of shit. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, everybody. I hope this video was super inspirational. And remember, if you enjoyed it, leave me a 5-star review. See you guys next week. Thanks.